Hi guys, what's up? My name is Khyati and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So firstly, talking about this background, I have this pink effect here which I have created using no high equipments or no costed lighting, nothing, just using some pillows, some table and two phones. That's it. And this is one of the setup for one of the shoots. So talking about the shoots, today's video is again a photography video which you guys were requesting me, and this is the longest I have not made a photography video, so I thought let me make a photography video. So this time it's a twist. I'm not just showing you some self-portrait ideas, but I'm going to recreate some famous content creators self-portrait ideas. Three of my favorite content creators that I love and adore, I'm going to recreate their self-portrait ideas which we think are super easy. So let's get started. So the three content creators whose self-portraits today I'm going to be recreating. First is Rajvi Gandhi, my personal favorite. I have been following her since the start of her blog or page. Second is Aisha Dhule, young uprising content creator in this lockdown. Third is Mark Clouse, a professional photographer. So let's begin. So for the first one, I'm going to be recreating Rajvi Gandhi's these pictures. She looks super sexy and stunning, and at the same time the pictures look super simple and so flawless. I thought I should really try this one out. For the light effect, firstly we have to create a stand. For that I have kept a table below, on that I have kept a stool, and on that I have piled up a few pillows. Make the stand to a height where it reaches your shoulder or above that, so that you can get that pink effect directly on your face. And on top of that stand, place a box where you can place your phones, which will give us the pink light effect. For the support we have to place this box, and then just simply place your phones like this. So there is an app called as Color Touch. Just install that app in your phone and you will get a lot of different light effects in that, and just select the pink one and ta-da! This is the pink light effect that I have got. It looks exactly like same. And now for the other side, you can see there is a little yellow effect in a picture, so I am going to be placing my ring light. So now the background effect and everything is done. Now for the outfit, she has wore an oversized white t-shirt and kept her hair wet, so I am going to wet my hair, which I have already done. And for the shirt, I am wearing my dad's oversized shirt because I don't have such an oversized shirt, so it is giving that effect like she has. And then just simply start posing. So I've tried to keep all the angles and postures same like her, so that I can get the exact replica of her pictures. And here are the final results. So the next up we have is Aisha Dhule's this picture right here. This is such a creative picture, like she have just used denim as a prop, and how wisely she have used it. She have turned the whole picture. So here I have a pile of blue denims right here with me, which I'm going to be hanging on this rope that I have made like a backdrop. So I have tied a rope on two walls. I have a hook, and on that I have just placed a white cloth, and then on that I am hanging all of these jeans just messily because she have placed it like that. And for the makeup, I have tried to make a blue wing eyeliner and went with this red lip that she have created. For hair, I have tied this low ponytail. This doesn't suit me that much, but it's okay because she had done that. We have to replicate it. And for the outfit, I have worn this blue white color t-shirt which I had because she had worn that one. And then just simply start posing. She had only created one picture, and I think it was super easy to pose and create. And here is the final result. So the next one I'm going to be recreating is Mark Clouse. These pictures, they are so sharp, so edgy, but at the same time there is a lot of blank space which is so perfectly complementing with the setup that he have created. I fell in love, and I felt this would be super easy to recreate, and also they were in black and white, so I had to. I love black and white. So for the setup, he has used some black chart papers and stuck it on the wall. I am using my white backdrop here because I don't have a white wall. Now one mistake that I did here was because I brought a smaller size of black paper and he is using a bigger size. Obviously I couldn't figure out that from looking at his pictures, but later on I realized, but I managed somehow to do this one. So simply using a touchni, I have pinned it on my backdrop, the 3 1 and 1, placed it below. So now for the outfit, he has worn a black shirt and trousers. So for the top part, I am wearing this black turtleneck top, but for trousers I have stolen it again from my dad's wardrobe, and they were pretty loose, of course, so which is why I wore a belt so it could secure properly, and at the same time it was complementing perfectly with my outfit. So that is the outfit, and then I simply started posing. Guys, the standing pose was a little difficult one. I have tried my level best to recreate that one, but the sitting poses were super easy, and I am in love with the pictures, the black and white ones especially. So yeah, these are the final results. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. This was super fun creating. If you want to see a part 2, do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you recreate any of these, don't forget to tag the content creator and me on your Instagram. We would love to see it. So yeah, that was it for today's video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.